Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a ScrapDiva Designs design team project tutorial. I just shared a cute little popsicle box. This little guy here. Isn't it the cutest? It is a good size. I was just playing with it. And I'm super excited that I got it because I have been working on some Happy Crafter shop projects and I didn't have anything to put my little projects or creations in, and this just arrived at my doorstep, and so I was like, oh my gosh, perfect timing. So I'm going to walk through how I put this little box together because it comes with quite a few pieces. I did sit there for a hot minute trying to figure out how to make it, and oh my gosh, I was cracking up because I'm like, I'm not gonna let this defeat me like I did with the umbrella, which I need to share this one that I made and I'm slacking on sharing it. Okay, so the die set comes with this large piece here, which will be your box here. As you can see, I didn't add the top, I just add the drizzle there. And you will need one piece of this. So I already have it cut out here. Okay. The next thing it comes with is this large piece so that when you cut it from your paper, it wraps around completely the box. So this is all one piece. I just lined it up to the edge of my paper and ran it through and it lines up perfectly. So definitely love that. Then it comes with this whole stash here, okay? So this piece here is going to be what you will layer your box on, which is this base here. I cut out two because you have one on the inside and you have one on the outside. I did cut an extra piece here, so you see that pink in there. That is just an extra piece that I cut in just to add back there, so you can definitely do that. So you'll need two of these, which I have here. Okay, then you'll need this is your popsicle stick base. Yeah, the popsicle stick that you'll need. Then this right here is what's going to create these little walls here. So you'll need two of this piece here. So that's there. And then you'll have the base part of it, or the bottom part that has the opening for the popsicle stick, and then you'll have the top piece, this here. So okay, so as you can see, we're going to be creating this box. So you're going to need this base piece here. I left this side up, the nice side up, and the back side just kind of like that because I'm going to add this piece at the end. So you're going to take these two sides here and you're going to glue along here, which I shall do. And you're going to just adhere it to the back of this base here like this, okay? You just kind of try to get it as straight as possible so that when you can see there, it stays nice and folds up nice. So I did that one first, okay, and then I did this one. Now you don't have to do it exactly like this, but once you see how it comes, oops, wrong way, my bad. Once you see how it comes together, because when I glued down the top part, it fits in nicely with this part here. It doesn't clash. At least that's what I found, that it doesn't clash. So you have those pieces and they're going to glue down like this, okay? But you're going to want to glue this down here because these edges are going to go there, as you'll see here. Hopefully I'm doing this within frame. I keep doing it the wrong side. You're going on the inside. I keep doing that. On the other one I did it too. Okay, and then you're going to go there like this. This is how I did it. And it sits nicely. Okay. When it comes down like this, it sits nicely like this. Okay. Hey, that doesn't want to stick down there. Okay, and then you'll do your bottom one as well, and your popsicle sticks will sit in there. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay. I'm gonna glue this side first, and then I go in with the Okay, this is where it gets kind of tricky because you want to, I lined mine up to the edge here like this and then rolled it down so that it lines up nicely. And then I just hold pressure to it so it stays. And you might want to get like a little bone folder that fits in there so that you can glue it down nicely. Okay, now that I have both of these sides here down, I'm going to add a little bit of glue here and just apply a little bit of pressure and it sticks. You could also use hot glue or even like the oh gosh, it's like a red tape and it's double-sided. That's really thick. Okay, what I did do was I'm using this dowel because it's pretty long and I'm just applying pressure so it'll stick and hold there. And I'm going to add it there. Hope that it stays. Okay. And then this is where you'll bring this part here down and you're gonna add glue here. And you just have to be very careful that the glue doesn't rub on the paper there because sometimes it does. Now make sure that this is folded really nice so that it lays down easily. Okay, add your glue. See, this is where I kind of struggled a little bit. And you have like the guide of the lines here of where your box needs to be on. So it kind of gives you an idea. And I just press down this way. And see how that looks nice and neat. Okay, now we're gonna do the lollipop stick, and for this I'm going to add a little bit of glue there and I'm going to just glue them together. Getting all gross with my glue fingers. Okay, and you're gonna leave this part open because it's gonna flap down like that. Okay, so then you're gonna bring it there. I just added a tiny bit of glue there. Find that little fold. There we go. Okay, and then you're gonna do the other side. Presto. And you will then, okay, that should stick. Okay, now you're gonna want to do these there. Okay, so now that I have those glued in, this one kind of glues a little nicer. You're going to, again, bring your paper down there, the fold, and then you're going to bring it down nicely like that. So let's add some glue. Okay, let me see. Okay, there we go. Oh, see, I already smudge some. Oh, come on, work with me here. And we're done. Okay, so that box is practically done there. It's a little off, so just kind of, I think once you play with it some more and more, you kind of get used to putting it together and then it'll come together nicely. So this is a little off, unfortunately for me. Oh, that's popped off there. Okay, and then I'm gonna take this here and I'm just going to cover it with glue. Oh my gosh, this is the cutest little box and I was needing something for my Happy Mail ideas. I think I'm gonna put one of these in my Etsy shop because it's so cute. I'm having fun making it. I already have another paper cut in the Popsicle. That's the 4th of July. I call it the 4th of July, but it's the rocket. I think it's called the rocket ice cream, where it has the is it the blue and the white and the red, or the red and the white and the blue. Okay, so that is done there. Our box is done. Okay, the next thing we need to put together is where it's going to go in, and this is this piece. Now this piece comes together fairly quickly. It does have the indentations there for where your popsicle would be, so you could even cut this out if you wanted. And add like something inside so you can see. So I'm just going to fold this up really quickly, and I'm going to just glue it down. There we go. Okay, so this one's a simple glue it down. It folds nicely. And then I'm just going to, actually, no, I did it backwards. I don't know what I was thinking. Okay, Lola. Hey. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm making a mess here. I totally glued that backwards. Sorry guys, I meant to do this piece first and I got sidetracked. Got my daughter in here, but she's over on the side. Try not to make noise. Like I'm videotaping, either you stay in or stay out. But you gotta be quiet. Okay. See, now I'm gonna struggle. Okay. So now I'm just gonna add a little bit of glue there. Don't do what I did. Now I don't know if you have to glue this, but I am, just so that it stays pretty sturdy. And again, I'm gonna use my dowel to like mash it down. There we go. Cute. And then this side, I think I'm going to just drizzle a little bit of glue in there, if I can. And I'm just going to smash it in. And there we go, guys. There's our box. Now, if you want to add the drizzle, that's where you go cut that. This piece here is where you go and cut your paper. But there we go. Our box is complete. Easy peasy, guys. I think it took like 15 minutes at the most, but now you can do all kinds of colors. And come back because I'm going to share these cute little button dangles that I made. So you guys head over to ScrapDiva Designs because this design just arrived and it is in the shop. Use my discount code MWalker10 for 10% off. So check out also ScrapDiva Designs for lots of ideas. Thank you so much for watching, and come back for my next video. Bye.